What's going on, guys? Vasily here from Auto Excellence, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your tire light on a Jeep Wrangler JK. Now this orange light is the tire indicator light. What you want to do first is you want to make sure all your tires are inflated to the factory recommended PSI level, including the spare in the back. And where on the door jamb there's a sticker that shows what's the recommended PSI for the front, rear, and spare. So if you look here, it shows front 35 PSI, rear 35 PSI, and spare 35 PSI. Now, once you inflate all 5 tires to the proper PSI, which I recommend maybe putting a 2 or 3 PSI over that in case you have some cold weather, you might lose some PSI. But once you inflate it to the proper level, the light doesn't go off immediately. You have to drive the Jeep for about 5 to 10 minutes, going 15 to 25 miles an hour. If the light then does not go off, then you might have a faulty tire sensor. Each individual rim has a sensor in it that reads the PSI, and sometimes either they get damaged if you replace the tires, or the battery dies on them and you have to replace them. A typical garage will probably charge about $100 to install one of them. But yeah, if the tire light doesn't go off after you drive it for 10 minutes at 15 to 25 miles an hour, then I recommend bringing it to a repair shop so they can test all the sensors. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a like. It does help out the channel a lot. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks.